Hi, good morning. Welcome to our workplace. I'm Jemar Timarot and I'm your tour guide for this day. As you enter the shop, you will see the shoe rack used for sanitation hygiene. To your left is our multi-purpose rack. This multi-purpose rack contains 5 layers. The first one is the measuring tools like Erlenmeyer, beaker, measuring cups and spoon. We use this to mix liquid objects. Then to the next layer, the hand mixer. Next, the knives collection like chef knives used for cutting meat and vegetable, bread knife to cut bread, and pouring knife and paring knife. The fourth layer is the spatula